Lone Wolf Customs once again. 72 stepside hemi swap project. Hemi. Not really sure exactly where this video is going to end up, but I'm going to start pulling this thing apart. So that's what I'm going to do. You know, honestly, y'all should know how to pull an engine apart. It's pretty much take all the bolts off until parts fall off. You know, fairly simple stuff. But I'm gonna start pulling her apart and getting ready for my putting all the parts in. So went to Harbor Freight, bought some more tools. It's always useful to have more tools. So I don't really need all those to pull with this, and some of those I won't even work with what I'm doing. But it's always nice to have extra tools. Alright, I guess back to you when I got some more to say. Alright, tearing down everything in here. Looks good. Of course, this was a running engine when I pulled it apart. Perfect timing while you're taking it apart to analyze things and see what's going on. There's a little bit of sootage in there. The others are nice and clean. Let's see if I can turn the light on and help with this. I don't think y'all can tell. I can't tell. Clean, clean, dirty. Clean, dirty, clean, little dirty. So what does that tell me? It tells me that either my timing was slightly off, or that valve ain't sealing as good as it was supposed to be on a couple of those, so it was poofing back a little. Or at least that's what I'm figuring. No more when I dig in deeper. Of course, you know, all those will be dirty. But I guess as I go down through here, I'll show you some stuff if I find stuff that needs to be shown. Alright. Alright. Pulling the head off. Let's see how bad this one is. Peed. Other than a little bit of antifreeze from pulling the setup off, I'm not seeing any piston contact. I'm not seeing any scoring. Looks like the double head gaskets. Double head gaskets. Don't see no evidence of blown or pushed or anything. Driver's side head. This is the one that had the broke rings when I put it together, or cut that much of a ring out. Let's see how bad it is. Probably ain't even as bad as anybody thinks.
I think we forgot the head bolt.
Forgot the head bolt.
We need to leave this in here.
Let's try this again.
I think we got them out this time.
I'm pretty sure we did. Let's sit that there. Double gaskets. And my little dowel just fell out. Not seeing any.
Told you wouldn't see it.
I didn't think I would. A little blow by, but you know, probably, but not an issue. You know, they turn over real easy when they ain't got no compression.
Roll it back down. That looks good to me. Look good to you? Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay, yeah.
I don't see no evidence.
Tell me if we see anything wrong here.
That's fine. That's fine. Alright. Let's pull the oil pan off. Which is a lot more fun when you ain't got nobody there to help. Alright. Looks cruddy. I did this because I used a used one that the piston went through. There's definitely some fragments, but the question is, were those fragments left over from when I put this engine, from the previous person where I put this engine together, or are those fragments something important? Well, I think I'm supposed to take that off to do this. There we go. Now my hand's greasy. Oh, let's see down in here. Pistons, rods, all the bullshit. More or less looks like everything is still where it's supposed to be. Can't really tell a lot, but try to take this off. I don't have the right tool. I have to go buy it. So unfortunately, this is probably about as deep as I can go. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I guess the next video I'll go deeper.